StudyMode.com.
We are starting the 9th chapter, which is some applications of trigonometry. Here you have to familiar with the two terms. You are studying new two terms, which are angle of elevation and angle of depression. We are discussing finding the heights and distance on this topic. We have to find the heights and distance. When an object is seen at an angle of elevation, that means if here is a tower or building something, an observer is viewing the top in this manner. The ray of view, which is called, this is the ray of view or line of view. Then the angle formed here, this is called the angle of elevation. This is the angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. Angle of elevation. At the same time, if a person is standing at the top of a building or at the top of a tower, if he wants to see the objects on the ground, his line of view should be to the downwards, into the downwards. That means this is the horizontal. This is the horizontal and this is the line of view. Then the angle formed here, it is called the angle of depression. If the observer wants to see objects on the ground, the line of view or ray of view should be in this way. He has to look down to see the objects. Then angle formed with the horizontal and the ray of view or line of view is called here, if it is theta, this is called the angle of depression. Angle of depression. Angle of depression. These are two new terms and you must be familiar with the angle of elevation and angle of depression. So we are going to solve problems based on applications. That is, we are going to find out heights and distance based on trigonometric ratios. So we are going to solve one simple question. The question here it is: a tower stands vertically on the ground. A tower stands vertically on the ground. A tower stands vertically on the ground. From a point on the ground which is 15 meter away. From a point on the ground which is 15 meter away. 15 meter away. From the foot of the tower. That means this distance which is given to be 15 meter. Away from the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is found to be 60 degree. This angle it is given to be 60 degree. We have to find the height of the tower. Find the height of the tower. Find height of the tower. Height of the tower. This is the question. So, I shall read the question once more. A tower stands vertically on the ground. From a point on the ground which is 15 meter away from the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is found to be 60 degree. Find the height of the tower. First thing we have to do is, by reading thoroughly the question, we have to draw a rough sketch. The sketch is here. This is the tower. Let AB be the tower. On the ground which is 15 meter away, an observer is viewing the top of the tower at an angle of elevation 60 degree. This is given to be 60 degree. Here the value of theta is 60 degree. Angle of elevation is equal to 60 degree. You are asked to find the height of the tower. That means we have to find out the length AB. AB is the tower and we have to find out the height of the tower. For that, note that this AB, side AB in triangle ABC, the side AB is the opposite side of 60 degree. The opposite side of 60 degree is to be found out. Which side is known to us? Adjacent side is known. Here it is 90 degree. So it is hypotenuse. We have to find out the opposite side. And adjacent side is known to us. We have to find out the opposite side and adjacent side is known. Then remember the ratio. Which ratio we should use here? We have to use tan theta. Tan theta means opposite side by adjacent side. Please remember the identity. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So taking tan 60 in triangle ABC, solution in triangle ABC, tan 60 is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Which is the opposite side? AB is the opposite side. AB divided by adjacent side, which is equal to AC. AC is the adjacent side. Then remember the values of 60 degree. Tan 60, they will not give the value in the question. We have to study the value, or we have to by heart the value. Tan 60 is equal to root 3. Remember the table. The value of tan 60, it is root 3. AB is not known, so write AB as it is. AB divided by the value of AC is equal to 15. Value of AC is equal to 15. Then cross multiplying, we are getting AB is equal to 15 root 3. If they are mentioning in the question, write down the answer in terms of decimal places, then only we have to give the value of root 3. Either they will give the value of root 3 in the question also. Here it is not given, so we can write root 3 as it is. So AB is equal to 15 root 3 means height of the tower is equal to 15 root 3 meter. That is height of the tower. Height of the tower is equal to 15 root 3 meter is the answer. Okay.